So guys, in this video we're probably gonna do a walkthrough of lost recipes. So let's just do it. This game showcases the recipes from historical cook. I have uploaded this. So let's go to the new game. We're gonna need to grab this for
A new volunteer? You want to
Yeah,
cook
thank
for
you.
ghosts, huh?
Thank
Think you can learn a bunch of traditional recipes? Well, come over here and we'll get you trained up.
Sure, man.
Well done. I've got some ghosts who'll be real excited
Ghosts
to
who
meet
what?
you and share their recipes. I think you'll have a lovely time. First,
Danica?
you need to learn
Oh,
how to get
shit.
around the kitchen.
Yeah,
Once
I
you're
already
oriented,
ordered this
follow me.
also.
Yeah, you've got it. Now turn
this.
to your right.
Oh,
When you're ready, come over
First
here and
put
ring this
everything.
bell. That
That.
will make you
Go
a
eat that.
certified ghost chef in training.
There. Now ring the bell over here if you don't know, even if it says
That's what I like to see, fellow ghost chef. Now
I'm
remember,
a ghost.
cooking should be relaxing. Take your time and pay attention to the recipes.
Yeah, sure.
Speaking of which, where should we start you off? Ah, yes.
Don't know, don't
Let's
care.
do ancient Greece, 3rd century BCE. There's an Athenian
Yeah, I'm
who
gonna
wants to share
show
what he used to make for the big festival
How to
called
do it if you guys are trash. No, in
Kalimera.
rude.
Oh,
bad way.
this is perfect. I was hoping to get someone in time for the Panathenia.
But a what?
Well, let's get you situated.
Like just
I've got
First,
a
we're
lovely
gonna
recipe I want you to try.
here?
Oh,
Yeah, here.
that's for the pita.
No,
We'll make
mix
that
it.
later. Let's
need
start over
olive
here with the
oil.
olives. They'll need time to marinate. Don't worry
Here.
about spills.
yeah.
Now, Panathenia is our largest festival. Athletic games,
first of all, we're
music,
gonna
and of course,
this.
good
I got a
food.
dirt for.
That's olive oil, prized among my people. No, literally, we've used it as prizes.
Dirt?
You win a chariot race during Panathenia, you get 140 amphorae full of olive oil.
Okay. Like that. No.
Add to the marinade
Oh no.
1 spoon of thyme and 3 spoons of rosemary.
Just the line. And rosemary. 3. No, let's go.
Add the olives and let them marinate.
Yeah.
Perfect. Now, those will need to marinate for a bit.
Now we will.
Did you know Greek olives are just black olives that haven't had as much time to
Now
ripen?
you're gonna add.
A mix of Z grain,
And
Z is another name for farro, and barley will make a hearty pita.
There. Now
Add a spoon of salt and splashes of sourdough starter, water, oil, and milk.
Sourdough.
Look at all these ingredients. We want about a 5 to
Oil.
3 mix of flour to liquid. That's the ratio for most bread, and it
Now
will get
here
us the
is where
consistency
people
we want.
get.
Take your time.
confused.
Perfectly round and smooth. Wonderful.
So here you're gonna do this. Literally just that. Now
Fresh charcoal will
They
light
just
if
keep
added
there.
to the old coals in the oven.
here you can just like that. I don't know how really to that. So now come over here.
Split the dough in half with a knife. Roll it with
Now.
a pin to flatten.
There.
Looks like the oven is hot enough to start baking some pitas.
I think I cut them like so small. Let's put those right here. Grab. Grab. Think. Yeah. Now with this.
That's
Now
starting
good.
to look like a pita.
Yes. Roger. Pizza.
Good. Let's let those look a little pale. They feel undercooked to me, don't you think?
Yeah, I know that, but You just add the...
Put the pitas in the oven,
let's-
pour off the
They're
marinade,
back.
and put the olives in a small bowl. Remember to serve the grapes too.
The olives. What? I just put the olives here, I guess. Yum, yum.
Are you a fan of green olives or black olives?
I don't know, man. Don't ask me that. I'm not a professional.
The pita smells perfect. Quick, don't let it burn.
Oh my god. You need to have like... Stop. There. Put that there.
The pitas are done. Place the meal on the serving table and ring the bell.
Put that there.
What a wonderfully simple recipe, but so nutritious, don't you think?
Yeah, that's good. Okay. You're supposed to be spawning there. Spawn? Yeah. Okay. Now we put the olive oil here. Let's see this things. Oh yeah, there. Here. There. Now let's
Let's see how we did, shall we?
just
Μια
see.
μπουκιά.
What do I get? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, nostimo. That was pretty
Don't
good.
You. Now we got 2 stores.
Looks like you've got the basics down.
Thank you. Oh, we're gonna go with this one. I don't even want to watch.
Lukumades, such a
Yeah,
classic.
just shut
We
up.
sometimes call them honey tokens.
This-
They were given
this
out
one
as prizes
a little
at the
bit.
Olympics.
Hard for me, but let's make it. Little bit of this.
Grinding flour from scratch takes a lot of elbow
Now,
grease,
The
doesn't it?
same thing ever. Salt.
A little bit of salt can make a sweet dish taste even
Oh.
sweeter.
Gotta be serious now. Now we just add salt. Oh,
Do you have a favorite philosopher?
Yes.
That looks perfect. Don't worry about spills.
yeah, I don't care. No.
Smooth until it's a rough fresh charcoal
Eso
we light
por
when added to your old grill fire.
This one, we're not using that. We're just using this one for today. Now that you did it,
Heat
now
up oil in the frying
Nice.
pan
Don't
until
get
it
steak.
boils.
can you shove there? I don't need that anymore. Now,
Bring the large dough ball over to the pan. Scoop out at least
Yes.
6 dough balls, dropping
God.
each one into the boiling oil.
shut the heck up. I need
A
this
Kilix
and
is by far the best way to drink wine.
Shut
It's
your-
shallow, so it makes you want to slow down, sit back, relax, debate some philosophy. All that good stuff.
3, 4, 5, 6. Now that we have that done, let's just try that quick. Yeah, that's good. Okay, now let's
Let the dough balls fry. When they are a deep golden brown, move each dough ball to the plate.
here. When they're good bright, like Pika Pika.
In earthen
Yes,
bowl,
that.
combine half water and half honey.
What the? Okay, so let's put half of this. Half. This. Half. And half.
Honey, the food of the gods. Ambrosia.
I think that's done.
Those look a little pale.
Okay.
They feel undercooked to me, don't you think?
Yeah, okay. No, the mixture.
Use the spoon to dip each golden dough ball in the still hot honey mixture. When they are shiny, return them to the
Oh,
plate.
that's how you need.
Oh, look at that. They're turning a perfect golden brown.
Now you need to have this over here. Very hot.
Opa! I can't wait.
And now just put them here. Good. Now
Use the grater to sprinkle some fresh cinnamon on top of each dough ball.
okay here.
Perfect! Just one scrape of cinnamon per dough ball is enough.
Yeah, I don't like put this too like a that. But okay. It tastes better. We're done. Then we need
In another bowl, add 1 part wine. When you're using the wine from the end of harvest, you always want to spice it pretty heavily.
3 parts.
It makes it harder to tell how old and musty it is.
2, 3. Splash of honey. Splash. Splash. And then some
Oh,
cinnamon
I'll get
sticks.
that.
There.
Cinnamon's my favorite
honey
spice. Hey, you know, cinnamon bark used to be more valuable than gold. Serve the heated wine in a kilix.
This thing. I think I'll do that again. It doesn't look. Yeah, it doesn't look great. So,
In another bowl, add 1 part wine, 3 parts water, a splash of honey, and a cinnamon stick.
one, 3. Where's my water? I put it. Oh heck. Oh no. 3. Do it. Yeah, we'll need that in now a splash of honey. What? Okay. Not a splash of honey. Yeah, there. Also supposed to. Okay, there. One splash of 1. Here. Okay. Okay, actually. 3. There. Now one brush. Okay. Now some cinnamon. We should be good.
Serve the heated wine in a kylix.
Let me try it. Yeah, that's great. That's total. Okay. Literally eat down. One splash of paprika. Yeah, this and we should be done.
You know, I really am happy you are here. It means a lot.
Oh, we don't need that. I think this should work.
Ah, it's so nice to have company. Thanks again. This means a lot to me.
Now we're done. Let's just
Place the
bring
meal
this-
on the serving table and ring the bell.
Here, make it so black. I'll make that too. Oh, let's bring this big boy to the table. Yeah, there's. Let's do it again. 1. There. Splash of this stuff. Yeah. Now. For here.
Are they ready? Let's give them a try then.
That's
Shall
not so
we?
wrong.
Yamas.
Just eat it. There. That just.
Delicious. Perfect for some peranjada. That means
What
people
the-
watching. It was one of my favorite pastimes.
I don't care. Oh wow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4? What? Why not?
Remarkable. You are really taken to this ghost chef job.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, you're going to love this one.
No, I'm-
It's called souvlaki. Roasted
The
meat
what?
on a stick.
What the heck?
Absolutely delicious.
No, dude. So,
Great
what
marinade
makes it
is the secret to
shut
great
the heck?
souvlaki.
What makes it boil? Wine?
Ha! As they say,
What the heck is
Enino
the honey?
alicia. In wine,
Shut the-
there is truth. If you ask me though, some of those truths might be better left unsaid.
Where's the honey? Oh.
Wine and honey? I can't wait.
Not but okay.
Add
Yeah.
spices to the marinade. 1 spoon coriander, 2 spoons garlic, 1 spoon marjoram, 1 spoon rosemary, and 2 spoons of silver.
Let's go with them. So this one is simple.
You know, it's been harder and harder to find silphium.
Now,
I suppose a
rosemary,
high demand will
obviously
do
this
that
one.
to a plant.
Let's skip the garlic. 2 spoons of garlic. From rice. And we'll this. And we're done. So now we're gonna need
Use the knife to chop. The pork loaf souvlaki can be made with any meat, really, but pork's my favorite.
eight. Now here, gotta put it like that. There's 1 cube. 2 cubes. 2 cubes. 4. 5. 5. 6. 7. 8. No,
Add the pork cubes to the marinade and let it sit.
all of these beautiful we marinate.
In the mortarium, use the pestle to grind zea and barley grains into flour. It should be
This
half full of
people-
flour after grinding.
Very good. So,
Oh, I'll get that.
Sourdough.
Add a spoon of salt. Hey, this sourdough starter's been in my family for generations.
oil.
Never fails to
Yeah.
make a good pita. Don't worry about spills.
Yeah, okay.
Smooth the
Over
dough until it's a round ball. Then let it rise. Fresh charcoal will light if added to the old coals in the oven.
Ooh, ooh. One over here. There.
Split the dough in half with a knife. Roll it with a pin to flatten. That's starting to look like a pita.
Pita.
They'll put the pitas in the oven and close the door. Wonderful! Now, while that's baking, let's start a fire under the grill.
Yeah. And one leg.
Fresh charcoal will light when added to your cook skewers of meat over the pour of the marinade from the pork cubes. Put 4 cubes on each skewer.
Now, just grab this.
I think the grill is ready for that pita smells perfect. Quick, don't let it burn.
There.
Oh, that looks so good.
One little guy. Two little guy. Three little guys. Four little guys. There we go. Breakfast people.
Just listen to that sizzle.
There's the crab.
Cook skewers of meat over the fire. Keep turning them so they don't burn.
Okay.
That smells positively divine. Keep turning until all the pieces are done.
This one's done. I'll just flip it here.
Prepare a kilix of 1 part wine and 3 parts water.
Wow. Two little guys. Yay!
Oh, I think that one's about to burn.
Which one? Which one?
I smell burning. Yes, it's definitely starting to burn.
Yeah, I know. Oh, nah. Yeah.
Place the meal on the serving table and ring the bell so this particular kilix is called whenever you are ready for me to try the food.
Yeah, I know.
Just ring that bell. No rush, I'll be patient.
Let me try some. Very cool.
Well, let's give this a little taste.
I know they're very good. Let me just. It's so good. Good. Yeah, right.
Yes, absolutely fantastic. Come on, tell me. You must have made this before. Yes? Oh, you're a natural.
Actually, yes. Wait. Guys, where's my $5?
You completed all the Greek recipes.
Thank you.
I knew you had it in you to be a great ghost chef. Think I can send you somewhere a little trickier?
Dank. Hello. Kids. Okay, now let's be taking some.
您好，很高兴认识您。Hello, I'm so happy to meet you.
Yeah, I know.
I have so many Spring
It is.
Festival recipes. 糖葫芦's pretty easy to make.
糖葫芦。
It's basically just fruit with a hardened sugar shell. 6 pieces per steak for good luck. Well, I suppose any even number works, as long as it isn't 4.
Why?
Don't do 4 these days. 4 is often considered to be extremely unlucky, because 4 is 4, and it sounds like death, which is 4. Now, in my time, we made 糖葫芦 with mainly shanja or Haldong
what?
berries. Shanja are
What?
super bitter though,
Man, I don't
so
speak language,
let's
okay?
throw in some
Talking to me
sweeter
like
fruits
that.
you may be more familiar with.
I want some orange.
Giving people oranges for New Year's is such a fun tradition.
It's not.
The word for orange, 橘, sounds like lucky, which is 吉.
So
So when you give someone an orange, you say good luck or 大吉大利.
Daddy. I don't even know what the heck he's even talking about, but okay. Kings. One, 2, 3, 5, 6. Hey. Good. Great.
Place 5 scoops of water in the wok.
1 scoop. 2 scoops. 3 scoops. 4 scoops. 5 little scoops. No.
Use wood to start a hot
This
fire
one.
under the wok. Excellent. That will make a
Excellent
hot
or
fire. Add all the rock sugar to the water and let it boil. Wait for the sugar to melt, then dip each skewer in the sugar syrup to coat the fruit. The left wok is ready to cook with. Make sure to cover all the fruit on each skewer.
Yeah, I think that's good. Yeah, this is good. I want to try one of those.
Once the skewers are coated, place them on the serving tray to cool off.
I'll put it here. Let's go.
Dip the teapot in the water bucket to fill it. Put the teapot on the already hot brazier. Bring it to a boil. Put 2 spoonfuls of oolong tea powder
Let's
into
go.
the teacup.
1 little guy, 2 little guy.
Pour boiling water over the tea powder to fill the cup. Add 1 spoon
1
of
little
salt
spoon
to reduce
of
the
this
bitterness.
little guy. Now we just need this
Oh,
kid.
make sure you
just
whisk
need
it really
this
well.
kid.
This style of whisked tea makes the top look like it's covered in a layer of clouds.
Great.
I think it's also how they make matcha in Japan today.
How do you make matcha in Japan?
So far, so good. Whoa!
Yeah,
I
I know,
hope
I'm the
these
best.
taste as good as they look.
Guys, I'm gonna end the video. But it's doing the video of learning how stuff about
Pretty good. A little
Oh,
more
what the-
practice and you'll have it perfect.
Could go to my live that I'm probably gonna do tomorrow. Or if you didn't watch it, if you're not,
Sounds like she was happy
it.
with the Tong
I
Hulu.
could make
You
a
didn't
video.
bring back any for me, did you?
So
Ready for
but
the next recipe?
hope you like this video.